All right, this is the final video of my pathfinding code. I'm getting a little bored of this and it's no longer fun for me, so I'm gonna stop making videos on the pathfinding code. So this is the last bit of it. I've managed to make the robot chase me around the screen, and I'll demonstrate that. And I will put the code up on GitHub. If you do anything interesting with it, let me know. If you there's a bug in it, I'll show you. If you find a solution to the bug, let me know as well. But let's just show it off now. So I have it paused. The player can move around, but the robot won't do anything until I hit the space bar because it moves quite fast. So let me move the pointer out of the way. And here we go. So now the robot, which is the red block, is following me. Uh, so it can detect, no matter where I am on the screen, what path to take to locate me. And if you notice, sometimes it speeds up really quick, and other times it's going at this speed. And that's the bug. I don't know what's causing that. Something in my code, and I haven't been able to figure out exactly, but everything else seems to work fine. And I've added a few additional things to help me isolate a problem I discovered. When I was moving the player around, I was overriding the wall settings, the values in the wall. I was somehow going through them, and which would cause the pathfinding code to fail or not follow the player properly. So I'm going to quit, and I'm going to show you where that is. So I have a few things commented here. So this is the little bit of code I added to help me track down the original overriding of the paths. Let's just okay. I'm gonna bring it back here again, and if we okay, I just enabled the path to draw that yellow line basically, but not the path numbers. Let me do that. Start that again. Okay. All right. So as soon as I hit so you can see all these numbers. This is what the pathfinding code uses to locate the player. So all these numbers mean something and mean a direction. The value 11 means it's a wall. So I'm going to press spacebar to start again. And you can see as I'm moving around, besides the yellow path line being updated, you also see the numbers being updated. And this is all happening in real time. And that's what the pathfinding code is using to create that yellow line. So if I quit again, I'm going to comment the yellow line. It was too slow. Again, too slow. Okay, I got it now. So now we don't have the line following us, and you can see all the code being updated. Okay. Okay, and we're back to where we started. So again, everything works as expected. It always finds where I'm located, and One nice thing about the little bug that speeds it up, it adds an unexpected little excitement to the game. Um, but I would really like to find out what's causing the problem. So if we go back to the code here, there is a timer that updates the robot movement. So every zero point zero 0.06, we call this routine. If I want to make it slower, we can do it every half a second. So that's a lot slower now, but maybe for certain games that's fine or acceptable. And we can make it really fast. Let me see if I can keep up now. No, no, that's way too fast. I think let's try 3. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Yeah, that's more manageable, except when it speeds up. Okay, I'll leave that there. And here, I'll go over the part where we move the robot here. That's the red block. So this routine is called by the timer every whatever time we specify. Now there's a lot of code here, and it's mostly checking for if we're gonna go into a wall, basically, when we try to move in the direction where the player is. And I think this can be reduced, but I don't have a lot of time to think about it and reduce the code. So if someone wants to tackle this problem, go ahead. Update me on it if you make it smaller. And this is the routine where we call to update the robot and player on the grid so the pathfinding algorithm could work. Besides that, everything else I've gone over in previous videos with the collision and timer code, but it's all here. I did make some slight modifications to the timer code, but it basically works the same way. So that's where I will end this video. Thanks for watching.